I just got my teeth pulled, but I still want to help you with voicing. Voicing! I can't even speak. But when you're playing the ordinary people, for instance, right? Okay, that's the standard part of it. But what I want you guys to try to do more is I want you to try voicing. I want you to tell a story. Tell your own story with it. So versus tell a story. Soft, hard. You know what I mean? So this part right here, right? Tell a story. Soft, hard. People are stubborn. Sometimes I'm stubborn. This is the thing. Don't just settle with just tell the story one time. No, they don't get it. You gotta make sure they get it.